Hi, I'm Diana. Today we're going to be talking about tooth whitening. Why am I doing tooth whitening now? My teeth aren't the whitest, but they never have been. My periodontist wants to put a crown on, and in order to match the color of the crown, he wants me to whiten my teeth. Now, he did want me to do the in-office whitening, but he said you could try the Crest Whitening strips first. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's take a little close-up look of my teeth. I don't want to do this, but we have to do this for the sake of science. Okay, see? Not the whitest, not the worst. Yay. Ah, I don't know. I felt like I should have made some noises there while we were looking at my teeth. So what am I going to be using? Well, I got two different ones. One of them is a 1 hour express, and the other one is just called Professional Effects. Well, this one says removes over 15 years of stains in 3 days, once a day for 45 minutes. This one says removes years of stains in just 1 hour. Use once a day for 1 hour. I think what I'm going to do is I think I'll start out with this one, and I'll use it once a day for 45 minutes for 3 days. And each day we're going to take a look at my teeth. And then after that, we might use this and see what kind of power this has. I don't know. That's the kind of science I'm doing here. I don't know. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's whiten some teeth. Here we go. This is day 3 of doing the white strips, and I think I can see a difference. And overall, I'm very happy with this. I have to say that it does cause some sensitivity after I use them for the rest of the day. And it's annoying. I think that you could probably take an Advil and get beyond it, but I don't do that. I just suffer. And I've been okay with it because I know that this is not going to be every day. And the next day, I don't feel that sensitivity. So it's been fine. And I think that this did raise me a level or two of whiteness. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try one of these 1 hour white strips, 1 hour express. I don't know what the difference is, but I think this is going to be my next move, and we're going to see if that makes any big difference. It sounds like it's supposed to be more powerful, but I can't tell the difference between these two. All I can tell you is that my teeth do seem whiter, and I'm a big coffee and tea drinker. I have been my whole life. I used to drink tea when I was a child, and then I moved on to coffee in early adulthood, and I have not stopped. I know I did a video on trying to stop coffee. None of that stopped. I can't stop the nonsense. So I'm going to do one more update after I do the express strips, and let's see how it goes. This really is end of day. It's starting to actually get dark in here. Okay, today's the day I tried the 1 hour express tooth strips. It was a long day because of this. That made me so sensitive. It's all I could think about all day. My teeth were killing me. And I didn't even have any regular aspirin here. I only had a chewable baby aspirin. So I took it and it did nothing. I don't even take painkillers usually. I had a baby at some point in time without any drugs. So you know that I don't take painkillers willy-nilly. So here's the results before it gets too dark. I don't even know if the light's going to show this. I do think it's whiter. Let's see if we zoom in. My teeth have never been bright white. Let's just say that now. I don't even know if my makeup's on at this point. The verdict is, if I were going to do this again, and I think I will in the future because I'm a big coffee drinker, and I think that whiter teeth do give you a fresher appearance. Do they have to be bright, blinding white? No, but you might like it if they're not grayish brown like mine were getting. That sounds gross. You saw the before. It's not that bad. If I were going to do this again, I would do the less intense whitening strips that were 45 minutes each. And I did those 3 days in a row, but I don't know if I would ever do this express one again. It's almost giving me PTSD right now, just thinking about it. It was so painful. So maybe if I did do that one, I would do it for less than an hour. As soon as I started to feel it, I would probably take it off. If you feel it, take it off, no matter what time it is. And that's my best advice for you. Overall, I'm happy that I did it. I'm happier with my tooth color. It's getting dark in here. So, time to sign off. If you want to get some white strips of your own, I have some links below. They are affiliate links. And if you would like to support this channel because you like my content, membership to this channel always helps. Honestly, I think this is the whitest my teeth have ever gotten, and they're not white. But, you know, you get what you get, right? All right, see you soon.